Hello, in this video I will show you how to exchange crypto anonymously inside Ledger Live application. Ledger is the safest way to store and use your crypto, okay? And Ledger Live application is an official application from Ledger. I have a Ledger Nano S, now I am inside application. Later I will show you if you don't already have a hardware wallet Ledger, I will show you where to buy, how to set up and similar things, how to get started with this. But now I will show you how to exchange crypto inside this app without needs to use any external crypto exchange site, okay, or platforms. Now I will go to manager to show you which application you need to have installed. Okay, will now confirm. Okay, now installed apps, and you can see exchange. That means you need to search for exchange this app inside. Okay, for example, we'll go again to catalog, just type exchange and you will see this. You need to install. I already have installed. If you don't have enough memory, you can see my memory distribution inside Ledger Nano S. You can see how much I have free. Okay. Of course, you can later delete this app and again install your apps. Okay. Now go to swap. Why this is cool for me? Because I don't need to send my crypto to external exchange. There is always a risk that something will get wrong. Okay, I found one trusted and legit crypto exchange site where you can anonymously exchange your crypto without needs to have any privacy worries. But for some crypto I use this option. Okay, for example, I will now choose Bitcoin. Okay, here if you have several accounts, you can choose which one you will use. It is always recommended to have several accounts. That means even if someone found your 24 seed, you can enter additional one more word in this seed, and you will have 25 word seed. About this I will show you my sections inside blog how to do it. Okay, now I will choose this one, and now which crypto I will. Now you can see Ethereum. You can see which one I can exchange inside this app. Okay, not all of course, but this time I will choose Litecoin, and Litecoin this one. Now how much I will send, for example, let me see. Okay, this is some minimum. Okay, I will on this. Okay, I need this. Okay, you cannot see how much I will choose to. Okay, that is it. you need to choose amount. There is some minimal amount. You can send max. Okay. And now I will click OK, exchange. Now you can see how much I receive. I can do, for example, math here to see how much I will pay for example, I will type calculator to see how much I will get. This is after fees, okay. I will get, that means, okay, expired. I will retry here because some changes, okay. Now I will see how much is. It is about, at this moment, Litecoin is about $130. Okay. I will pay, you can see, $76 about, and crypto at this moment, I think it is something about $26. You can see fees are not some higher amount. It is okay. Okay, now I will check how many worth one Bitcoin price, for example. Just a moment, please. Computer is a little bit slower because of recording. You can see. Okay. I can calculate again. That means to see about fees. Okay. $80, okay. And what about Litecoin? Okay, it is a similar, okay. You can see the same. Okay, I will get, that means 0. Multiply with 128. Okay, it is about $5 fee. This is not some big amount, okay, because transaction fees are higher now. Okay, I will exchange now. This amount I will send, this amount I will receive. Okay, confirm. Now I need to open Exchange app. I opened. Now I need to wait a little bit because of recording. computer is a little bit slower. Okay, now I will review. I will see inside my ledger how much I will send, how much I will get, how much are fees. You need to all this review on display and confirm. Okay, exchange is ready. Now I will see here, and this is an important step, because in case of any trouble we will get one code. Now you can see this is my code. Copy. I will copy to my notepad. Okay. In case that something maybe get wrong, but I have never had any issues. Close. And this is history. Okay. Now I will go to portfolio. And now you can see I have sent Bitcoin and I will get Litecoins. Okay, now I will pause this video because maybe 10 minutes or something similar will take to get finished. You can see time. At this moment I will pause video and then I will continue when I see Litecoin transaction inside this app. Okay, see you after pause. Hello again. After about 20 minutes, now you can see that transactions are visible. You can see how much I sent, how much I received. There is FISAM, of course, as you can see, about $8, but I had not used any external exchanges. Okay, my crypto stays safe, and for me this is acceptable. Of course, if I need to convert to other crypto that is not supported with this method, I will use some other sites, but this is very cool for me. Okay, the safest way to exchange crypto and anonymously without giving your IDs, and government can't track you. Okay, now inside my blog webtrafficsolution.org you can find some other cool tips for crypto and web traffic solutions. Also, if you don't have Ledger or some other hardware wallet, I recommend you to read my post how to use a hardware wallet. Okay, here you can find information about where to buy hardware wallet with links. Of course, I will put link in a video description, link to official web store to Ledger. Okay, and you can see now how to buy. You can use crypto to buy hardware wallet. You can use, for example, Bitcoin, and how to set up, link for download official Ledger Live application, and so on. And one more thing, I want to show you one crypto exchange service that I use, where you can also anonymously exchange crypto if these fees are too high for you, or you want to exchange to some crypto that is not supported with Ledger. You can read my post how to exchange crypto without registration and verification, instant, very safe, and I have inside this post some examples from my history how to exchange. Okay, thank you for watching. That is it. I hope that you like this video. Bye.